1041, if you could 49 to 35206 Alvarado Niles Road. Central's reporting that a train just hit a vehicle. Male is crawling out of the vehicle. We have medical en route code 3. 60 copy.
31 in row. 30 in a row.
For units responding to the address in Union City, you can 1022. It's actually in zone 1. Charlie 10.
Through go.
You can 49 to maintenance way 13. A report of a train that hit a vehicle. Again, male is calling out of the vehicle. We have medical en route code 3. We have several patrons calling in.
11 in Ralph Lake Merritt.
And 10 4.
15 from 12.
1415 10 4. For units responding to maintenance way 13, we have several patrons calling in advising the train cars are filling with smoke. Still trying to get further.
2 boy 17 and 19, code 3 from Frugal.
10 4. Town 41.
Watch commander, like us to start.
10 9.
Watch commander wants to start for support.
Town 21. Town 41, A firm.
Sounds like one of the train cars on fire.
All 430, copy.
I'm Ralph.
That's 29 10 4.
All units respond code 3.
Copy, all units respond code 3.
Anything for me on fire and medical en route?
A firm there, route code 3.
Charlie 1197.
Charlie 1197.
That's 30 start board 25 and I'll be en route as well.
Okay.
I'm already en route.
11.
Not really close to it, but I'm guessing you have to go through the shops and continue south to get to that area. I'll check and advise if that's the best way or not.
10 4.
On East 8th and 7th, OPD's out with 2 parties that were involved. The car is flipped over off the rail.
Copy, East 8th and 7th.
It's going to be a black vehicle, unknown make. It hit the guardrail, slipped over, it's crushed.
Copy, black vehicle hit the guardrail.
1697.
Yeah.
Double Charlie 10 will be doing traffic control on 7th Avenue.
I'll head that way. I'm heading back to Lake Merritt to pull video footage.
Fires 97 at the intersection of East 8th and 7th.
East 8th and 7th.
21 and S29 for 97. Something.
1597.
1415 97.
Up to on fire is trying to put out like a small fire right now, and then we're trying to figure out the best way to evacuate people off this train.
L21 10.
People are shops, and the only way to access that car is either by the pump or through the train building. I don't know what they can see or advise from the street side.
The only way to access it is by the pump, is through where? Copy, the train shielding park.
Wayside. On the track, I'll have a mouthful of your shoulder. It's definitely machine tobacco.
And what for seeing that guy? East 8th and 5th blocked off.
East 8th and 5th blocked up.
How is the lift to get this vehicle out? And it's ripped and smashed.
And are all the rail power down in this area?
Sides are powered down for Central.
I'm sorry. You said power down for Central?